My name is Ali Marashi, Senior Vice President of Engineering and CTO, which are big fancy titles for I'm responsible for the development factory for vXchnge. Well, Insight's not just a DCIM system, it's not just an access control system, it's not just a service management system or a billing system or a finance system. It's all of that wrapped together into taking all that complexity and wrapping it into a simplified and unified view. And it allows us to basically provide that transparent view from our environment to the customer's environment. And that's getting to give them value with all these complex systems and technologies is actually a pretty cool opportunity. Well, Insight was a foundational element that the company was built on. So right from the start, it was on the radar screen, and with the help of one of our strategic customers, to be honest, it took us less than a year to bring the first iteration to life. Another sort of foundational element to the way that we view Insight is we don't go into long monolithic development cycles. Our intent is to continue to incrementally bring value in short intervals to our customer to continue to bring more forward. So every few months we're iterating and bringing something, even if the smallest detail or something large and innovative, it's under constant improvement. One of our biggest challenges is sort of passion, prioritization, and patience. So we continue to, we struggle with, it's not about what could we do, it's what should we do first that brings the most value to the customer. And it comes from our CEO that our focus is supposed to be from the customer in. So it's all about thinking about what brings the most value to the customer and bringing that forward first. It's not just a power monitoring system. It's not just an environmental control system. All of this, we have the opportunity to bring together in that intelligent and holistic view for the customer. And I think that's the fact that it's our objective to transparently provide a view into the environment to the customers as if it was their own, I think sets us apart from the pack. Well, it helped that it was first developed actually in partnership with some of our customers, but to be honest, I've had the privilege to sit down and talk to some of our customers. Some of the first questions are, so can we use this to manage our own environments, or can we use this to manage some of our other colocation provider environments? So because they find that it gives them visibility, insight, and intelligence that even their own IT departments can't provide them. So I take that as validation of we must be doing something right. Well, let's just have a different conversation with the customer, because power, space, cooling, and cross-connects is not all that glamorous. It's a foundational element that drives their mission-critical business systems, but it lets us have a different conversation with them. It lets us ask, what's important to your business? What's important to your internal constituents? What does your billing and finance team need? What does your legal and compliance team need? What do your network engineers need? What do your IT department need? And because of what Insight provides, it allows them to meet all of those needs that they have across their entire organization. And it lets us talk to them about those, because those are really the valuable elements of their business. And it changes it from, well, I can let you see the quality and the stability of the environment I'm providing you, and that's certainly one element. But once you have that, that's not really what you're looking to me as. You're looking to me as a support partner that ensures that your business systems are running the way they need to. In the web interface, they have the ability to define the roles and permissions that are aligned with how they set up their company and the way that they're organized and structured. For constituents and partners that are on the go, they can leverage the mobile platform in order to deal with emergent and transactional issues. If they have their own embedded investments in their own DCIM and service management systems, they can leverage the API to import what Insight can make available to them into their own systems so that they don't have to retrain their staff. So it's an accommodating platform to let them use it and consume it the way they need, and I think that's some of what they value the most. Actually, there's a lot of cool things that are going on. You look at the maturing IoT space, Bluetooth and other standards and protocols that are coming will change the landscape with respect to the level of intelligence you can bring into a platform. You've got AI and machine learning this is no longer a buzzword, it's real, and we can embrace that and bring that in to continue to allow our customers better forecasting and capacity planning support as a trusted partner. You look at where AR is headed and some of what we can do with that to actually raise the game and provide a more effective sort of smart hands service, having the customer interact with our people as an extension of them visually and intelligently with their IT assets. These technologies are no longer like pie in the sky, they're real, and it's as fast as we can scramble to try to bring them into the platform to bring more value to the customer.